Beautiful friends, good morning. Welcome back again to the garden. This is my favorite section in the garden, guys. This is where I have all my hydrangeas. Now, guys, they're not looking, they look nothing. It's like powder mildew. They don't have that much sun. It's like this. But when spring come on and they have fertilizer, they have more sun. This here going to be a beautiful show over here. This going to be a beautiful show over here, but now they don't look nothing. It's bare. They lost all their leaves and powder mildew. It's they look like nothing, but this is, believe me, that's going to be one of the most beautiful place on this backyard. When they have flower, when they push out leaves, is going to be spectacular here. I can't wait to showing you guys the section of the garden. And I spend a lot, when I said a lot, I spend a lot of money, guys, buying those flowers and spend a lot of time taking care of them to make sure that I can keep them alive. Oh my God, I heard a noise. That was scared me. I'll keep them alive. But yeah, they still alive, but they don't look nothing now. But they're still alive. Let me show you guys how I'm making some cutting. All of those flower, guys, I make them from cutting. From one plant, I got 6 other plants for free. 6 other plant for free. And then I am this plant, if when that plant have sun, it's a beautiful plant. I am planning to have a lot, at least like a dozen of that plant, and to have a whole wall like with beautiful flowers. But I think I'll put them somewhere over there because they like, when they have sun, they just like jet blue, beautiful specimen. And I can't wait to showing you guys my mango. I remember when it used to be mango season, guys, when I have all my mango together, flowering, all those things. But yeah, but all, like I said, all my garden not together, but I have my flowers here. I try to keep them nice and beautiful. I have them here, but I want to showing you guys the flower of my mango as they come out. Guys, thank you so much for your support. Have a blessed day.